Alright, what's good vlog? It's your boy Greatness Trading back again with another vlog. So yeah, today's vlog will be all about like um trading breakdown. I have a trade I want to review, a trade I took on VIX 100 oneness. You all know I trade very static indices. My broker is the Reef. So yes, I'll be reviewing the trade on my laptop, then I'll be adding it to this clip. But firstly, you all know how to get a new haircut. Yeah. So I'll make a video, or I'll make the review when I'm back from I'll make the video when I'm back from getting an haircut. I just want to show you all the before and after. You guys don't believe what happened. I literally vlogged this moment, but the audio got cooked. I don't know why, but the audio wasn't recorded. So yeah, for you all that are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. These are the videos like I've dropped on my channel. You all go and watch them. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for the views. I saw that like this one of my video had like 205 views. This other one had 42 views. I didn't really like post this, but yo, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. It helps me know that you all enjoy the content I make and want to get more of this content. So yes, in the previous video I like recorded before, yeah, before it got muted. Sorry, let me. Yeah. So I will be doing a trade breakdown. That's like a review of the trade. I already said that. I know that will be on my laptop when I'm back from barbing. But quickly, let me show you my student results, because I was not the only one that took the trade. I sent out the trade to my group chat, to my trading team, and they all took it. But one particular of my student didn't take it because he said he was in the trade, but I think he slept off, then mistakenly tapped the buy or sell button and over leveraged. So yeah, so let me show you a quick video. So yeah, um, we took the trade around 1 o'clock. Then we smashed TP around 8. You can see this was when my student sent his profits. He did $5 to $50. Then he did like TP smash. This was when my own trade hit TP. This was my result. This is my student result too. So yeah, you can see that not only me benefit from the trades I take, I send these same trades to my group chat so that my team can also bag up the way I do. So yeah, we trade profitably, trading the synthetic market. Yeah, that's all. That's what we do. What we do is milk the reef. Sometimes they milk us. That bad ass people. You can't be in a state of euphoria, like always thinking you win, or always thinking nah, you're not a mastermind, or you're not that important. Please, the market always knows how to humble you. So you have to keep you have to keep the right trading mindset and be consistent. Take the trade regardless, take the risk regardless, do the work regardless, and you see the results. That's just it. In this trading game, you just have to keep on showing up, keep on showing up. No matter the losses, keep on showing up, keep on showing up, keep on showing up. Have the right risk reward in place, the right risk management. It should surely like put you back on your feet. So yeah, guys, the next video clip you'll be seeing of me is either me at the barbing salon getting a haircut, or when I'm back to do the review on my system, to show you all, to drop some kind of education on the YouTube, to show you why I took this trade, why I saw it was a winner. And yeah, enough yapping and blabbing. Yeah, I need to get something to it. Yeah, already this is like 11 a.m. So yes, I'll be ending this vlog here. See y'all in the next vlog. So yeah, so when I get home, I'll give you all the source, like the review of the trade. I just bob my hair feeling. I just go on the record, sorry. Yeah, so see you when I'm back home. Yeah, so what's good? I just go back from the Barbie salon. How do I look, yo? I don't think the guy really got my style, but at the end of the day, I just took the hairstyle because, anyways, I look good regardless. Wait, this is me without the mic. Let me switch real quick. Yup, this is me with the mic. Yeah, I know the audio was cooked, but yeah, all good. So yeah, I'm trying to get a perfect angle to like so you can view the hairstyle. Yeah. So that's all, Sha. I'm gonna keep audio yapping and yep. So I will be doing the trade breakdown now. I will go down to my system, check the review. And mind you, I've not taken any trade since early hours of this morning. Why? Because you have to like rot your brain from the state of euphoria. Not like thinking you're going back to the market like to take another win. No. We're just going to check if the market will give us an opportunity. If you see an opportunity, we take. Fine. Then if you don't see, we move on. So yeah, meet you at the other side. It's me on my system. So don't mind me the video is lagging. So yes, let me quickly reload my chat so we can get down into the video. Okay, so you all know that the trade I took was on VIX 75. Oh, VIX 151S. I got my mind off for a second. So yes, this is the trade. This is the index. So now I'm going to be clearing all the tools, the objects I use, and go down like to trade breakdown myself. So starting from the 4 hour, I knew for a fact that we're in a bearish trend. Fine. But when I scaled down to the lower time frame, I saw that this was the lowest price had gone. So we were coming from a bearish narrative down to a bearish narrative, sorry. And I already saw for a fact that this is the lowest low. So there is no longer liquidity available to absorb from the downside, except price does what? Re-engineers liquidity into the market. You understand? So I scaled down to like the 1 hour. But I first identified that we had a break of structure from an area that didn't failed to break form a new low. This is what I'm talking about. This area, if price failed to give us a break of structure signaling the continuation. So instead we had a break of structure to the upside, to this upside, without giving us a proper break of structure to the downside, showing us a bearish continuation. So when I saw this, I know for a fact that we are about to change like direction. So I scaled down to like the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, when I scaled down to the 1 hour time frame, I zoomed out to get a clearer picture to see the draw in liquidity. So I identified that we had a break of structure to the upside here. Then this break of structure now gave us a change of character, showing that price was going bearish. But looking at this from traders' perspective, which like is part of my which is part of my edge, I view price in a way that I have to, before making any analysis, before checking for any setup or anything, I look for liquidity. You understand? I look for liquidity. I always want to know where price is trying to go and where is the next available liquidity going to be. So I knew that for a fact there will be buyers around here, around this area. There will be buyers around here. But price has a way of shaking off I'll use this box to represent volume. Price knows how to shake off the bullish shake off the demand volume in respect to the bearish volume. So now what price did was price reduced the bullish volume so that they can be increased in bearish volume, so that there'll be enough liquidity for price to liquidate. So let me quickly delete this, then go down to the TA. So now I already saw that we had a sweep to a sweep here. Then now instead of price to mitigate this high, instead of price to mitigate this high and come down, instead you see what the price did. Price broke above, coming low here, then breaking above. So I kept that into notice when I was observing, and I saw that price came here. When I saw this, I knew that price was to do something different. Then I scaled down to the 30 minutes where it was much more clear. I was having cluster view in the 1 hour time frame, so I moved down to the 30 minutes time frame so I can have a clear view. So it's loading. So now when I went to the 30 minutes the 30 minutes time frame, I could identify that I had a structural break to the upside here, showing that we are bullish. You understand? So when price shows its directional bias, first it has to induce liquidity into the market. That means it has to induce opposing liquidity so that there'll be a liquidity for us to take. So what was the opposing liquidity? The opposing liquidity here was supply. The opposing liquidity here was supply. So now I identified that my order block for my B plus my A plus setup I take was identified when price makes a low, makes a high, breaks this low, showing a structural change. Then instead of mitigation of this high, then to make a new low, what did price do? Price made a short-term retracement, then made a high. So this is my market model that I used to identify my structural buyers. So now I marked out my order block and I extended it to this side. When I extended it to this side, yeah, because this was my first mitigation, I saw price make a the first mitigation, then a high. I knew for a fact that I cannot use this area now as my area of entry. Why? Because it's wrong. I cannot use this because why I mean it's wrong is that there's no available liquidity here for price to take out yet. Price has to, in a way, take out structure to reinduce traders to come into the market. So now, let me quickly draw this. So now, notice that, so I drew here as my structural liquidity, waiting for price to take it out. When price took out this structural liquidity, it, it, it made an inducement. This inducement, I identified it. I did not enter this trade. I waited for it. I said, no, you're not taking me out so early. I will wait. So I waited for it. When price now gave me another sweep to the downside, I knew that fine. There's an exhaustion. Why? Because now there's a perspective that has been built already. Traders are taking here as a bearish order block to sell to the downside. So meaning to me that there's potential injected liquidity for me to take out. So now, so what am I going to look out for next? Then I'm going to look out for my setup to play out again. Mind you, the setup can play out numerous times. It doesn't matter. Now we're in a bearish trend. So what are we supposed to expect? We're supposed to expect that as price has created a low here, we're supposed to expect a retracement to the downside and continuation to the downside. But no, that's not what happened. That's not what happened. See what the price did. Price then came here, created a high, retraced, then created a new high. Beautiful. When I saw this, I knew that for a fact that this is my order block. This is my order block here, and this is my new structural liquidity. So what I waited for was I waited for price to sweep here. I did not sleep. Mind you, this was around 2 o'clock. I'll show you the time now. This was around my mitigation was around, this particular time is, I think, is 1 hour ahead. It was around 1 o'clock on my phone. So immediately I saw this sweep, I scaled down my entry here, putting my entry here, my stop loss below this low, because this is my order block low here, this area. So I put my stop loss below the low, then I put my target here. You can see according to my risk reward, it was a 1 to 6. It was a 1 to 6. It was a 1 to 6 RR trade. Then we smashed TP this morning by 8 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, this is a quick breakdown of how I took the trade, how I made $63 on this trade, just from trading the synthetics, trading the model, understanding price, understanding liquidity concept, knowing the reason why to enter a trade, knowing the reason why not to enter a trade. So yeah, this is how I trade. This is greatness trading. So yeah, that's all for the whole review. Probably if you have another win or loss session, I will review the trade and I'll show you why I either lost or why I made profit. So yeah, I'll be more active now on YouTube. So yo, do smash the do smash the like button and subscribe. I'm still gonna vlog an after video of this, but this is the roundup for the recording on my system. The next recording will be on my phone. So yeah, peace out. So yeah, that's all for the vlog. I'm going to go ahead editing the video. So thank you all for staying. If you stay down to this video, it means that you're really, really, really interested in this trading thing, and I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. A big shout out to you for your love, for the likes, for the subscribes, for the views. I appreciate you all, and most importantly, this is a journey. This is a journey of a Christian entrepreneur trying to bring glory to God, because that's all that matters. Christ first and nothing else. Jesus first and nothing else. So yeah, so we are doing things that will scale up our finance, focusing, like spending time doing things that are important and things that are worth the while. So yeah, I'm trying my best to dish out educative content for you all, so that even though you all are not like my main concerns are the people that are intermediate traders are are trying to like figure this shit out. You can do it. Just just stop learning, fix your psychology, fix your risk management, improve your psychology, improve your trading edge, and just up your trading game. Make sure you round up everything that is needed to round up and start trading, start scaling up capitals. Yeah, and that's it. I switched the vlog because I couldn't finish it at that time. My battery was low, so I had to recharge. So yeah, I'm heading out to the gym now. This is where I end the vlog for today. See you all in the next vlog. Do like and subscribe. Peace out.